Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. Today I am gonna show you what I do. I'm gonna put on my first wig by myself without paying $300, $150. I found this wig on Amazon, so yeah. I don't know, I just wanted to buy it. I know Amazon wigs sometimes are not good, but I find some good reviews about that one. Hopefully they were not paid good reviews, but I don't care. I'm gonna try it and hopefully it goes well. It's my first time ever putting a wig on myself by myself without paying anybody else to do it for me. So I did wash. Well, my hair is y'all, I have PCOS, so my hair is like falling out. So I know it's kind of crazy the way it looks right now. It's falling out and I don't know what to do. Basically, I am this close to get a razor, not a scissors, and cut it and buzz it out, because this hair is acting. It's giving trash, you know. It's giving trash and it's giving homeless. And yes, so I did wash my hair yesterday. I did condition it. I did put leave-in conditioner in my hair, and I also put oil on the scalp already. I used this one. It's from a company that I find on, hopefully you can see better, on TikTok. I don't know. This is how much is left from there, and I don't think it's doing anything to my hair, but I don't know. I purchased, well, it was a lot of money, so I'm gonna finish it and then write my good reviews later. So yeah, well, it does keep my hair moisturized. The stuff that I use, it keep my hair moisturized. It's just that my hair keep falling out. I think it's because of my PCOS. Yeah. So in my face, it was so good 3 weeks ago, and now look at it, trash. Look at this, trash, trash, trash. It's not chicken pox. Does it hurt? I don't know, but hopefully that is not. It's not that one. Yeah. I don't know. My hair is. I don't know what to do with it. So I'm gonna comb it out. I'm gonna braid it, a really small braid, that I can keep my hair. Is it braid or is it cornrow? That word. I'll put a picture of it somewhere up here, right here. Yeah. So see you later. Okay. My hair. I just can't finish some stuff. I don't know if it's too. Okay. Yes, I did it myself. Yes, I did it. Okay. So what are we gonna need for this install? We're gonna need a hair dryer. You're gonna need a lace tint spray. I used that one right here. It's from Red by Kiss. We're gonna use that one. I've been using it a lot lately. Yeah, it's a dark brown, so hopefully it matched my skin. I don't know, hopefully. And just in case, I do have the Isha lace wig bun, this one, just in case, you know, it doesn't go as well as we wanted with the thing. And I'm also going to use this one to I'm gonna use this one for my glue, because I don't want to make it last a long time. This one will, I think a week will be good, because when I did it for my mom last week, it actually lasts her 2 weeks. with the spray on without this glue. I'm allergic to this glue actually, so I'm not gonna be using it. I'm gonna put it back in my bucket, on my bag. I'm gonna be using this one, stuff like that. We're also gonna need some hair clips. I also have an elastic band just in case I needed to have one. Yeah. Am I not in the middle? Okay. That's good. Okay. I do have an elastic for my wig, just in case if I want to put it in. Now I have to go find my wig. I don't know which one I'm gonna wear. I might do the straight one. I got this again from Amazon. I will put the information right here. So this is the hair. It's very soft to me. Nothing look wrong with it. Hopefully not. It look cute. So what I'm gonna do is, it's a closure. I do not like to how do you say it, bleach my wig. It's super dark, it's super light, and I think it's gonna go with my skin color. I have not used this one on my skin color. I only use it on my mom's or people I do hair for. I don't do hair a lot, but like people will call, they need the hair done for that week, and I will gladly give them my services. But yeah, that's it. So this is how it's gonna turn out. I feel like it will match my skin color good, I think. Let's see it. Yeah, you can even see it. It's matched good. So I'm just gonna spray it now, and yeah, I don't think nothing else is gonna get stained. So you're gonna just put it upside down like this. I'm just gonna spray it. Just clean it evenly. Ooh, my dress. It smells like peach. Okay, I think that's good. Look at it. It looked like, I'm not done with it yet because I still have some more spots that I have to get, but it looked like I bleached it. Looked like I bleached it. And it's actually my skin color too, you know? Yeah, it's actually my skin color now. It smells so good. Ooh. Okay, that's it. So that's it. I already I use this one to spray it. It's like it's like a little thing like this. And that's it. So I'm gonna let it dry for a few seconds. Okay, y'all. So I did that. Now I'm gonna get my lace bond, the Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. I'm gonna spray it on my thing to keep it, you know, not movable, I guess. I don't know how do you say that, but yeah. I'm just gonna spray it a little bit on there and then use my blow dryer to blow dry it. And yes, it's given skin color, I believe. Okay, so next now I'm going to put my cap on. I got these caps from Amazon. Yeah, from Amazon. I think it's a pack of 12. Yeah, each pack of these, like this I have 3, so 12 on each thing. And I feel like it will go on my skin color, so I got the dark brown. And actually each cap come with 2, so yeah, so that's cool. What is my seat? So done. So I'm gonna use this again to spray my perimeter on my head, and use this to use my hair. Is it late? No. So one more time, I'll spray it again. Look how clear my edges are. Yeah. Okay. So now it is fully put away and slayed. So you're gonna use this again. I forgot to do that, and I didn't want my hair to be messed up because of it. So yeah, I was gonna do my eye thing, but you know what? Why not? I can't see. Okay, and now I'm here to rub your house. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, so that's it. It's giving scalp, but it's okay. We'll fix that. Let's fix it. Okay, this is a given, y'all. This is a given. I have to get it better. I don't know what you guys do for the back. What I do for the back, I just grab it, and now sometime like I'll just, you know, because you know you shouldn't let cut it tight, or yeah, I just do it like this on my head because I don't have time to be sewing things down, especially with like this right now. Like I have to go to work in a few hours, and I can't find my how do I say it? I can't find any of my needles at all. So will go like this. And extra sticky hair. You know what I mean? Okay, so let's fix the front a little bit. Okay, so let me go ahead and try it out to see before I start cutting up. Okay. Okay. I didn't pluck this hair at all because, you know, it's me. I don't have to cut or glue anything. It's pretty, I believe. Is it me or is it too close? Oh my freaking brain. I feel like, is it good? Is it not good? Let me know. Let me know, okay? It looks cute to me, but we'll fix that. Okay, so let's fix the flyaways. Okay, so a bit closer. So this is it. This is the hair. It is an 18-inch hair. This is the lace after I prep it and stuff like that. It looked cute, I think. I will make it flatter later, but yeah, it's cute. It's not tingly. It's not tingle at all. It's not getting any tingle. So I think those reviews were like, it is very bouncy, which I like. I thought it was gonna be more thick of a hair, but it's not, which I'm okay with. So let me fix that problem a little bit. I just want to make sure it is centered on my head. What am I going to use to do that is so I should move a little bit more. Okay. Is it to the center? How do I know it's in the center though? I'll just do this. Yeah, it is. Okay. So it looked cute, I believe. Why is this colored? Oh no. Oh, the hair thing got on it. It's okay, I can fix that. That's easy. That's an easy fix. It's all good. It's all good. Okay, let's fix this right here. Okay, it's kind of too close to it, or is it too far away? I don't know. I think I'll cut it right here, and then we should be good. Yeah, because this is my hair, so I'll just put it here and cut. Okay, we'll be okay. Okay, so let's fix it first. This one. You know what? I don't mind this hair. Like, it was, I think, $70 something. I think it was, which I don't mind it. Okay, I'm gonna get my concealer though and do some of my magic. A little bit. Okay, so let's do like this. So this will be like this. It's not gonna be too big. Okay, we're good. We got this. Okay. One more. Two. Spread this. Just right. So what I'm gonna do is I also bought these elastic thing from Amazon. So I'll go ahead and put this back where it's supposed to be. Yeah. Okay, and I'll go ahead and so let's let that stay for a few more minutes on my head. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and put my fly. I also got that one from Amazon. I will go ahead and put every single thing that I use here in the link. I know that I use this one. I got it from the beauty supply store, Ali Beauty Supply Store. Yeah, this one is also from Ali Beauty Supply. I know I found it on Amazon after I purchased it. Okay. Why is it smoking? Okay, so I think it's done. I believe it is. It felt done, but it just doesn't know. You know what I mean? People just don't know. What's this? Okay, so I'm gonna remove it for now and then put it back again after I cut everything. Okay, it look like it's given. It look like I can see what it was, but it look like it's ungiven. Okay, it look good. It look really good. Okay, let's fix it. That's not. I didn't make it too high because I'm scared that it's gonna burn the hair, just in case if it's not a real. I just found my razor. Thank you AliExpress for that. Hopefully you guys are learning on what I'm doing. Again, this is my first time ever putting this on my head myself. I'll do it for the people, but I never do it for myself. I'm just a beginner here. I hope you guys will learn from this, and yeah. I think I did really good. Hopefully I did really good. If you guys are experienced of putting wigs on, if I make any mistake, let me know in the comment, because I am willing to learn. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye. I did a pretty good job with my hair. I really wanted to make it stay, you know. Okay, now it's giving what it needs to be given. This is why I love this thing. Yeah, I'll put everything down. Everything I bought was from Amazon. Okay, much better. Okay. That was so pretty. I'd like to say thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope this helped anybody who wants to do their own hair but don't be having money like that to be giving to people to get their hair done. And I'm very excited that I decided to do my own hair, and if I can do it, boo, you can do it. And this is my August hair that I'm gonna be using until school start again, because right now I'm taking a few breaks off from school. And should I curl it? I will see if, okay, I'll do it next video. I cannot be curling hair right now. I am gonna be late. It looks so pretty. What is this white thing? It looked pretty, I think. I believe so. I believe it looked pretty. Okay, so I think I did a really good job with my hair. I hope everyone else had a good time watching my hair, and now look at me having some fun with my hair. Now I have to clean this mess. It's like I have to clean this whole mess now. So that you can see the hair a little bit better. It looks so pretty. Okay, it's my first time having such long hair. I actually do curly hair because to me I feel like it's just easy and go. I don't have to worry about it. But this is very soft. It's from Amazon, y'all. Amazon, I think it was like $75, which is not bad. It's kind of,
yeah. Look at it, it's super pretty. So look, give it a curl, I think. Let's give it a curl. No need to bleach your hair. I hate bleaching, I don't bleach things.
it's an 18-inch. Pretty. Pretty. Okay, y'all, thank you so much for watching my YouTube video, and I hope you guys subscribe and press the like button and send this video to 5 of your friends or your family or your grandma. Okay, thank you, and bye. See you guys in the next video.